Hey guys, we're having a bit of a sushi and sashimi week here at the Fish Society. So I'm going to show you how to make a salmon poke bowl at home. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for your salmon poke bowl is starting with the salmon, avocado, spring onion, sugar, salt, black sesame, normal sesame, cucumber, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, sushi ginger, lemon juice, sushi rice, and sushi seaweed. Also on the kit side of things, a sharp knife, a bowl, and a chopping board. So there you have it. There's the organic salmon poke bowl. Pretty quick and easy, and it's going to serve two very well.